Google unveils Pixel 9. A. Affordable price, premium features. Google unveils $499. Pixel 9. A budget smartphone packed with features. Hey, did you hear the good news? Google recently dropped a bomb in the tech world with their snazzy brand new phone, the Pixel 9a. And guess what? It's super affordable, coming in at just $500. Can you believe it? This recent addition to Google's Pixel family is already making headlines for packing flagship-like features into a budget-friendly package. As a person who loves keeping up with the latest tech stuff and enjoys checking out gadgets, I've delved pretty deep into what makes the Pixel 9a really cool. Let's explore its key features, what sets it apart, and whether it's worth your hard-earned money. Design and build, sleek and subtle. The Pixel 9a may be Google's budget offering, but it doesn't look or feel cheap. The phone boasts a minimalist yet sleek design, staying true to the classic Pixel aesthetic. The rear panel has a matte finish, making it comfortable to hold and less prone to fingerprints. Google's signature camera bar remains a distinctive feature on the back, giving the Pixel 9a a modern and recognizable look. Google has used polycarbonate material for the phone's build, keeping it lightweight but sturdy. The Pixel 9a has got you covered with its IP67 rating for dust and water resistance. That pretty means it can handle those unexpected water splashes or even a quick accidental dip in water. Pretty cool, right? Especially for a phone at this price. The Pixel 9a is pretty cool because it's got IP67 dust and water resistance. So if you accidentally splash some water on it or drop it in water for a hot second, no biggie, it can handle that. That's pretty neat for a phone in this price range, don't you think? Display. Smooth and vivid. The Pixel 9a comes with a 6.1-inch OLED display that supports a 90 Hz refresh rate. This means smoother scrolling, more responsive touch interactions, and an overall better viewing experience compared to standard 60 Hz displays. The OLED panel ensures deep blacks, vibrant colors, and pleasant contrast, making it perfect for watching videos, scrolling through social media, or playing games. Although it doesn't have the higher resolution or brightness levels of more expensive Pixel models, the Pixel 9a's display performs well in most lighting conditions, including outdoors. Performance. Powered by Google's Tensor G 3-chip. One of the standout features of the Pixel 9a is that it's powered by Google's in-house Tensor G 3-chip, the same chip used in the flagship Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro. This makes the Pixel 9a significantly more powerful than typical budget phones, which often rely on mid-range processors. The Tensor G3 chip enhances the phone's AI and machine learning capabilities, leading to smarter features and faster performance. Whether you're multitasking, editing photos, or using Google Assistant, everything feels snappy and responsive. Gaming performance is also decent, although you might notice occasional frame drops in graphically demanding games. Camera. Still the king of mid-range photography. When it comes to cameras, Google's Pixel phones have always been at the top of the game, and the Pixel 9a is no exception. It features a dual camera setup on the back, including a 12.2 megapixel main sensor and a 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens. On the front, there's an 8 megapixel selfie camera. Google's real magic lies in its software, and the Pixel 9a benefits from the same advanced computational photography as its more expensive siblings. This means you get stunning photos with sharp details, accurate colors, and excellent dynamic range, even in challenging lighting conditions. Night sight mode continues to impress, delivering bright and detailed photos in low light without the need for a flash. The ultra-wide camera is great for capturing landscapes or group shots, and portrait mode adds a beautiful background blur for professional-looking photos. Software. clean, intuitive, and blort-free. The Pixel 9a offers a pure Android 14 out of the box with Google's clean and stock-like user interface. Unlike many other budget Android phones, which come loaded with unnecessary apps and ads, the Pixel 9a offers a pure Android experience. One of the best things about owning a Pixel phone is the timely software updates. Google has promised 3 years of major Android updates and 5 years of security patches for the Pixel 9a, ensuring that your phone stays secure and up to date for years to come. The Pixel 9a also comes with exclusive Pixel features like Call Screen, which helps you avoid spam calls, and Magic Eraser, which lets you easily remove unwanted objects from your photos. These little touches enhance the overall user experience and make the phone feel smarter and more helpful. Battery life, all-day power. Battery life is another area where the Pixel 9a performs admirably. It has a 4,400 mAh battery, which combined with the power-efficient Tensor G3 chip, delivers all-day battery life on a single charge. Whether you're streaming videos, using GPS navigation, or scrolling through social media, you can expect the Pixel 9a to last a full day with moderate to heavy usage. And when you do need to recharge, the phone supports 18-watt fast charging. While it's not the fastest charging speed on the market, it gets the job done. Connectivity and extras. The Pixel 9a includes all the essential connectivity features, such as 5G support, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC for contactless payments. It also has stereo, providing decent audio quality for watching videos or listening to music. One minor drawback is the lack of a headphone jack, which may disappoint users who prefer wired headphones. However, this is becoming common even in mid-range and budget phone. Is the Pixel 9a worth it? At $49, the Pixel 9a offers incredible value for money. It combines powerful performance, an excellent camera, and a clean software experience in a stylish and durable package. While it may not have every premium feature found in higher-end phones, such as wireless charging or a higher refresh rate display, it covers all the essentials and then some. For anyone looking for a reliable, feature-packed smartphone that won't break the bank, the Pixel 9a is worth considering. Whether you're upgrading from an older phone or buying your first Pixel, this device delivers a fantastic balance of price and performance. In the world of budget smartphones, it's not easy to stand out. But Google has once again proven that it knows how to make a great phone at an affordable price.